Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Try to be as precise as possible when making your folds. Open and fold the other side in half diagonally. Reinforce the fold. Open and fold both sides in half like this. Then, fold this point in toward the center. Make the same fold with the opposite point. Fold this point back, aligning it with the edge. Reopen it and bend the new fold onto the crease. Fold the edge over like this. Repeat the same fold, which will once again align with the edge. Repeat the same series of steps on the other side. When you're finished, fold all of the sides inward like this. It should look like this when you're finished. Now, fold this edge back. Make this fold. Fold this section over top of the last fold you made. Repeat the same folds on the other side. You should get this shape. Fold this section over top of the folds you just made. Now, fold this point in along the crease like this. Fold this edge back. Turn it over and make this fold. Fold this point over top of this fold here. Note that the edges should align. Finalize your origami by straightening the sides. Reopen the folds and tuck the last fold into this part here. Turn it over and repeat the same folds on the other side. It should look like this when you're done. Reinforce the creases. Open the center and attach the top points to make the handle. It should look like this when you're done.